Yeah, he just eat that biscuit. You want to see him? Oh my god!
Let me up!
Give me up! Please! Help! No! Next one! Next one! Damn! Come on!
I don't want to fall again.
Oh, I'm stuck! No! We traded! We traded! Roger, we're on the same team.
Come out of here! I can't enter! Hey. Oh my god, my neck!
I'm dead.
It's in the middle. Singularity.
More kill. It's because I got more people.
Dude, the pleasure. The pleasure.
I gotta catch Bo.
Bro, Smoke, get up there! Wow! Instantly! I didn't even get to move!
Someone hold on to something. Hold on to something.
Nigga, hold on to a briefcase.
Like a baby. So,
Yeah,
he's instantly knocked out.
Here.
Everyone, grab us. Let go, Migloo. Let go, me.
I'm not gonna die, bro.
I'm gonna have to realize it.
Hold on.
Bro, Q is grabbing onto my head!
You Andre?
I'm not even that bad, bro. Come on.
Okay, Andre.
I just spider jumped whack.
Lily spotted me off the map.
Bro, what the hell? Where else?
No,
Bro, I just got one tapped by a boomerang. What is
okay,
this?
I'm done, bro. I'm done.
I know what I was
We can kind of hear you.
That's what we're
idiots.
complaining about.
I know what I listened
Bunny,
to.
the bunny's mine, dude. The bunny's
I don't
mine.
want. I don't want to
No,
listen
why?
to just triple neck.
Why are we scratching our asses?
Queen, get it! I'm grabbing Queen! Get it! I'm grabbing him! Get it, nigga, please! Oh my god.
Oh my! They don't call him magnetic hands for nothing, dude. They don't call him magnetic
He was
hands
a
for
demon.
nothing. Magnetic hands for nothing,
Look
dude.
at just sliding that thing in there, bro! What is that?
Put that in there, dude. Magnetic hands.
Just beating the shit out of me.
I'm still. Oh shit! I got knocked out.
Come on, Armis. Come on, Armis.
I'm still in there.
Come on, Armis. Oh, we're bringing him back! We're bringing him back! We're bringing it on home!
Come on, Crane.
Damn!
No! Crane, come on.
You got the back, you got that?
Okay, we got the same idea.
Armis. Armis.
Bring it on home!
Yes, I did it for the Oh my god. Okay. Daryl.
Bring it on!
Dude.
But stop.
Get him,
Andre, you
dude.
got this. Andre, you got this.
I'm done. I'm done.
Oh my god!
Long live the
I'm
king,
hanging
nigga.
on! Hang on! I'm laying it down!
Long live the king. Long live the king. You're not
I'm
winning.
gonna kill you!
You're not winning.
Fudging him!
I'm just selling.
There's a bomb!
There's a bomb.
I think it's a bomb!
What bomb?
No.
Damn, he got pelted.
Bojangles.
Come here. Gobi.
Dick.
Stop! Stop! No! You dick! You dick!
Don't under the smoke. Stop struggling. Just
How do you die?
No!
I told you I was a badass. I told you.
Game is over. RJ, I blame
That
you.
damned gorilla is not gonna win.
That damn.
Oh,
No, that damn gorilla's climbing up! I keep talking up the ship! That damn gorilla!
And they both fall.
That
They
damn
both fall
gorilla!
please. That damn group just
Throw a
lost.
biscuit! Throw a biscuit!
Damn group just lost.
That was me! That was me!
He's still alive.
Throw a biscuit!
Oh my god.
Ah, throw a biscuit!
Hold on.
The stupid Silverback! Idiot!
You stupid Superman! What the hell? That was so cool.
I'm killing you, bro.
Andre, you just eat that biscuit.
Gloop! Somebody!
Well, I'm dead.
God! No! Damn it!
Hold me.
Gloop, pull the lever. Gloop, gloop, gloop.
I'm trying,
Pull the
but I keep grabbing onto the stuff.
This is so stupid.
Yeah!
That is absolutely.
Why is RMS the retarded version of Crane?
Ugly duckling.
One extra chromosome.
What's
Damn, he got the beak! That's just the pinky and the brain, the retarded cousin. Oh my god!
You better be.
Ah! Let's knock him out! Ah! Clip! Don't let him back on the island! Don't let him back on!
Dude, okay, who's gonna win? The pinky and the brain.
Chill out, Tubby!
The pinky
No!
and the brain. The pinky and the pinky.
Yo, somebody throw a biscuit! Throw a biscuit! Throw a biscuit!
The pinky and the no.
The pinky!
The two apes going against each other.
No, Clip! Oh no! Tubby killed himself! Tubby killed himself!
Bobcat actually makes the game miserable. My shades! Holy shit! Oh my god, bro! Bobcat is actually King Dick here. Holy shit!
Oh my god!